Good evening, Aqil and Izz. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking.
Same as well here.
I have read articles related to augmented reality and virtual reality on the internet last day. I think this is very interesting and this is in line with the modern life today. Gentlemen, as we all know, augmented reality and virtual reality are rapidly evolving technologies that have growing impact on the world we live in today. They are changing various aspects of our life, from entertainment, education, to the business and the healthcare. From my point of view, augmented reality is a technology that blends digital information or virtual object with the real world environment and changing our reception of reality. AR is typically experienced through a device like smartphone, tablet, smart glasses, or headset. Its overlay computer-generated graphic, text, or image onto the user views of the real world, creating a composite or augmented view.
Augmented reality (AR) is on a continuous trajectory of evolution, driven by advancement in various technologies. This evolution is not only transforming the way we interact with digital world, but also how we perceive and engage with our physical surrounding.
Hmm, in the observation, there are some key characteristics and components of augmented reality. For example, markless tracking. Many AR systems can track the user's location or orientation without the need for physical markers or QR codes. This allows for a more natural and seamless AR experience. Moreover, real-time interaction. AR allows users to interact with digital content while simultaneously perceiving the real world around them. This interaction can be visual, auditory, or even tactical. Any idea is
Yes, I do. Applications of augmented reality span various industries and use cases, including educations. AR can enhance learning by providing interactive 3D models, simulations, and informations overlays in textbooks or educational apps.
wow. I think I love about talking about this topic. How about virtual reality, Akil?
First of all, we need to know what is virtual reality. Virtual reality is a cutting edge technology that offers users a highly immersive and interactive computer generated experience. At its core, VR aims to transport individuals from their physical surroundings into a simulated digital environment, blurring the lines between the real and the virtual. This is accomplished through a combination of specialized hardware and software.
Hmm. There are key characteristics of virtual reality, such as motion tracking. To provide a sense of presence and immersion, VR systems use motion tracking technologies. This allows the virtual world to respond to the user movement, such as turning their head or walking in a certain direction. In the same way, virtual reality provides full presence. The goal of VR is to create a sense of presence where users feel as if they are physically present in the virtual environment. Achieving this sense of presence is a key focus in VR development.
Furthermore, the virtual reality also providing a breakthrough technology development where it could give you a sensation of a more realistic digital experience through real-time rendering. Virtual reality requires a powerful computer hardware and real-time rendering of 3D graphics to ensure that the virtual environment responds to the user's action without noticeable delays known as motion to photon latency.
Wow, thank you, Is. Augmented reality and virtual reality have significant impact on the world we live in today, influence various industries, changing experience and changing the way we interact with technologies and the environment. So, how do we how do augmented reality and virtual reality affect the world that we live in today?
Augmented reality and virtual reality have had a significant impact on the world we live in today, influencing various aspects of society, technology, and industries. Here's how AR and VR have affected our world. AR and VR give a big impact on enhancing our user experience. AR and VR have revolutionized the entertainment industry. For example, immersive gaming. VR gaming takes players into immersive virtual worlds, providing a heightened level of immersion and interactivity. This enhances the gaming experience by making it more engaging and realistic. AR has given rise to mixed reality entertainment, where virtual elements are seamlessly integrated with the real world. This includes games like Pokemon Go, where users explore their physical surroundings while interacting with virtual creatures. For your information, Pokemon Go is a popular augmented reality AR mobile game developed by Niantic in collaboration with Nintendo and the Pokemon Company. The game was released in July 2016 and quickly became a worldwide phenomenon. Pokemon Go combines elements of location based gaming, augmented reality, and the beloved Pokemon franchise. In Pokemon Go, players take on the role of Pokemon trainers who explore the real world while using their mobile devices. The game uses the smartphone's GPS and camera to create an augmented reality experience. Players are tasked with finding, capturing, and training virtual Pokemon creatures that appear in the real world on their devices' screens. When players encounter a Pokemon, they can use their smartphone camera to see the creature overlaid onto the real world. So this make it seem as tough the Pokemon is right in front of them, creating an immersive experience. Virtual reality has revolutionized the world of immersive storytelling also. VR isn't just another technology, it's also a transformative tool that has allowed creators to transport audiences into the interactive and captivating narrative experience in ways we've never seen before. Imagine being completely immersed in a story, not as a passive observer, but as an active participant. VR provides a level of presence and immersion that makes you feel like you are physically inside the story's world. It's an experience that go beyond the confined traditional world, traditional media, and it's changing the way we engage with narratives. One of the most remarkable aspect of VR storytelling is the FPP or first person perspective that it offers. When you put on the VR headset, you become the protagonist of the story. Your choice and actions matter. They influence the plot and outcome. It's an empowering feeling to shape the narrative with your own decisions. VR also encourages interactive storytelling by because you are not just watching, but you are interacting. You can pick up the objects, examine the clues, and solve puzzles. Your engagement is an integral part of the story progression, creating a personalized experience that's unique to you. In the world of VR storytelling, the narrative unfolds in all directions. You are not confined to a flat screen, but you can look in any direction to discover new element of the story. It's a spatial storytelling at its finest, and it encourages exploration, discovery, and a deeper connection with the narrative. VR isn't limited to entertainment, but it has educational and training applications too. Medical procedures also can be practiced in a virtual environment, and students can engage in immersive simulations and scenarios for enhanced learning. Of course, there are challenges and ethical consideration, including the issues related to motion sickness, content moderation, ethical dilemmas regarding to the portrayal of sensitive subject also matter. But these challenges are the opportunities for innovation and responsible storytelling. Okay, what about you, Miss Is?
Well, in my opinion, virtual reality and augmented reality offers exciting possibilities for enhancing both tourism, remote work and collaboration, and social interaction. In the realm of tourism, virtual reality offers the possibility of immersive virtual tours, granting individual access to exotic destinations and cultural experience they may not have otherwise. Augmented reality, on the other hand, facilitates convenient pre-trip planning and language translation, making travel more accessible and enjoyable. Through social interaction, virtual reality enables individuals to embark on virtual journeys to far-flung destinations, providing immersive experience that their appetite for travel or serve as an accessible alternative for those with physical limitation. AR can enhance the in-person exploration by overlaying real-time information and insight onto physical world, making navigation and cultural discovery more engaging. Furthermore, in the context of social interaction, yeah, VR platform and social VR spaces enable people to connect, communicate, and collaborate in share virtual environment, bridging geographical distance and offering novel ways to engage with friends, family, or colleagues. These technologies have the potential to redefine how we explore the world and connect with one another, making tourism social interaction more accessible, interactive, and inclusive. However, it is essential to consider privacy, digital ethics, and equitable access as these technology evolve and become more integrated into our lives. Remote work and collaborations tend to benefit significantly from the integration of the VR and the AR. From VR, we can revolu- revol- revolutionize remote work by providing immersive virtual office space, allowing team members to interact as if they were physically present, regardless of their geographical locations. Meeting and discussion in VR environment can be a stronger sense of presence and engagement, making the remote collaboration feel more dynamic and effective. AR can enhance real world collaborations by overlaying digital information into physical environment, facilitating on-site troubleshooting, remote technical support, and real-time data sharing. Moreover, AR can provide hands-free access to manuals, instruction, and training materials, making it easier for employees to teams work together remotely, offering more immersive and efficient means of communications, problem solving, and knowledge sharing. However, ensuring equitable access and addressing potential privacy concerns will be crucial as this technology become more integrated into remote work practices. So, how about you, Mr. Amzar?
Thank you for your explanation, Aqil and Izz. I have an idea. Effect from augmented reality and virtual reality in healthcare and medicine, which is augmented reality and virtual reality have made substantial contribution to the healthcare and medical field with numerous positive effects and benefits. Mm, these technologies have the potential to enhance patient care, medical training, diagnostic, and treatment in various ways. For example, in medical training and education, first, surgical training. VR stimulation provide aspiring surgeons with a safe and realistic environment to practice surgical procedures, improving their skill and reducing the risk to patients during training. Second, virtual patient cases. VR scenarios can simulate medical cases, allowing students and healthcare professionals to diagnose and treat patients in a risk-free environment. Whereas anatomy learning, which is AR application, allow medical students to interact with 3D model of anatomic structure, exchanging their understanding of complex structure. Meanwhile, in architect and design, augmented reality and virtual reality are having significant impact on the field of architecture and design, revolutionization how professionals in this industrial plan visualize and communicate their ideas. From this point, design visualization, such as immersive 3D models, VR allow architects and designers to create and explore 3D models of building and space, providing a more immersive and realistic understanding of their designs. Next is in contextual visualization. AR can overlay digital design in element onto the physical world, helping architects and clients visualize how a proposed design will fit into its real-world surrounding. Other than that, construction and planning. For instance, clash detection. VR can help identify clashes and conflict in construction plan, reducing errors and costly rework during the construction phase. Equally, for site planning, AR can assist on site construction planning by overlaying digital blueprint and guideline onto the physical construction sites, aiding workers in accurate implementation. At last, augmented reality and virtual reality are making a significant impact on the industrial and manufacturing sectors by exchanging productivity, improving safety, streamlining process, and reducing costs. Here are some effects and benefit of AI and VR in industrial and manufacturing setting. In the case of product development, digital twin integration (AR and AR) can connect to digital twin model, providing real-time data and insight for optimizing product performance and maintenance. For design validation, AR allows for immersive design reviews and simulation, helping to identify and address design flaws before manufacturing begins. Subsequently, safety training and awareness. VR safety training stimulates can immerse workers in potentially hazardous scenarios, allowing them to learn and practice safety protocol without actual risk. For AR safety alerts, AR system can provide real-time safety warning and alert, such as detecting unsafe condition on the shop floor. In summary, AR and VR have a transformative impact on various aspects of our life, from entertaining and education to healthcare, commerce, and beyond. As technology continues to advance, these immersive technology are likely to play an increasingly significant role in shaping our world and how we interact with it. Thank you, Aqil and Is, for giving an explanation how do augmented reality and virtual reality affect the world that we live in today. Thanks for sharing an information and opinion with me today.
Okay, I think I have to go now. See you soon, guys.
Bye.
Bye.